Hello, I got asked what do I normally put on a salad. So basically some lettuce, some spinach, I got some basically some nuts here, I got some mushrooms, I got some carrots, I got some bell pepper here, I got some cucumbers, I got some broccoli, I got some olives. Then I usually use oil and vinegar, and as you can see I got a lot of lemons here, and I basically kind of put that over it as well. So this is basically how I eat my salad. As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. It does compute. Yeah. Right here, computed. Yeah.